You get over a cold in a few days, you get over a wall by climbing it, and it takes some people years to get over a breakup. Three sentences, three completely different situations. Every day, English is happening all around you on signs, on menus, in text messages, in conversations overheard on the bus. And most English courses ignore all of it. Not this one. Welcome to English in the Wild, where we find real English in the real world and figure out exactly what it means, why it works, and how you can use it. I'm Sarah, and today's phrase is get over. I heard this one in a waiting room of all places. Two people were talking, and one of them said, "Honestly, I still can't get over how expensive everything's become." Nobody was climbing anything, nobody was sick. She was talking about her own reaction, her own sense of shock, and she used get over to describe it. That is three completely different meanings hiding behind two small words. Let's take it apart. Meaning one, get over to recover from an illness, a shock, or a difficult experience. This is probably the meaning you already associate with the phrase. I finally got over that cold. Took about a week. It took him months to get over the accident. She's still getting over the loss of her job. This meaning covers physical recovery and emotional recovery. A cold, a breakup, a bereavement, a shock, anything that knocks you down for a while and then you slowly return to normal. He never really got over losing that match. I don't think I'll ever fully get over what happened. To recover from an illness, a shock, or a difficult experience. That is meaning one. Meaning two, get over to physically cross or climb over something. This is the literal meaning, and it is much simpler. The dog got over the fence somehow. We had to get over a fallen tree to continue the hike. Can you help me get over this wall? Straightforward. Physical movement from one side of an obstacle to the other. Nothing hidden here. Meaning three, get over used to express disbelief or shock, often in the phrase, I can't get over. I can't get over how much the city has changed. I still can't get over how kind that stranger was. You won't believe this news. I can't get over it. This is a slightly different flavor of meaning one. Instead of recovering from something bad, you are expressing that something, often something positive or surprising, has left a strong impression on you. It sits between disbelief and admiration. Notice the pattern. I can't get over plus how or plus a noun. I can't get over how tall he's got. I can't get over the price of coffee these days. Three meanings. Get over. Recover from something difficult. Get over, physically cross something. Get over, express ongoing disbelief or shock. Now, for the sound of it, we've looked at break down and pick up in the last two episodes, and both times the stress landed on the second word. Get over breaks that pattern slightly, and it is worth noticing why. In most everyday uses, the stress actually falls on get, especially in the fixed expression, get over it. Say it with me. Get over it, not get over it. Get over it. This phrase, get over it, is used constantly in casual English, and it can sound quite blunt. It means stop complaining, move on, accept the situation. You didn't get the job, get over it. There'll be others. Use it carefully between close friends. It's fine to a stranger or in a professional setting. It can sound harsh. And now your quiz, three sentences Which meaning of get over is being used? Sentence 1. It's a low wall. You should be able to get over it easily. That is meaning 2. Simple physical crossing. Sentence 2. I can't get over how good this cake tastes. Meaning 3. Disbelief, in this case, a pleasant one. Sentence 3. It's been 2 years and she still hasn't got over him. Meaning 1. Emotional recovery, in this case, from a relationship. 3 sentences, 3 meanings, all correct. One more thing before you go. Get over connects to a phrase you already know. Back in episode 5, we looked at break down, and one of its meanings was to lose emotional control. Get over is often what happens afterward. First, you break down, then, over time, you get over it. She broke down at the funeral, but she's slowly getting over it now. 2 phrases, 1 emotional timeline. That is how real vocabulary works. It doesn't live in isolated flashcards, it connects. That is English in the Wild, episode 7. Every episode, one real piece of language found in the world, pulled apart and handed back to you. Heard something this week that confused you? A phrase on a sign, a line from a show, something someone said that did not quite make sense? Drop it in the comments. It might just become a future episode. I'm Sarah. See you in the wild.